Hi friends, this video shows how to create dual apps and use. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Here we can see one Snapchat app. I am going to clone this Snapchat app and create one more Snapchat app. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select apps, select dual apps. Here we can go down and here we can see Snapchat. Tap here and enable dual app. Let me tap here. I am going to enable dual apps for Snapchat. Done. You can see created dual app. Go to home screen. See, now we can see two Snapchat apps. Let me open the first one. This is a default Snapchat app which I installed from Play Store. Let me open the second one which I cloned. So this is a Snapchat app which I cloned. See, now I have opened two Snapchat apps. We can use two Snapchat accounts. So this way we can create dual apps. Next I will show you how we can uninstall that cloned Snapchat app. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, select apps, select dual apps, and here we can see Snapchat. Tap here and disable. This way we can uninstall this cloned Snapchat app. Tap on OK. Done. You can see Snapchat uninstalled. Let me check. Go to home screen. See, now shows only one Snapchat. So this way we can create dual apps and use. Please check it.